National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central King County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:51 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Canton Hills, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wheaton, Carroll Stream, St. Charles, West Chicago, Roselle, Geneva, DuPage Airport, Bartlett, Hanover Park, Winfield, Wayne, Bloomingdale, and South Elgin. This includes King County Cougars Ballpark. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KX.